It's a new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-450 double rear wheel. From towing backhoes to stallions, it has the horsepower to pull whatever you've got. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, power stroke intercooled turbo diesel engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, trailer brake controller, firm suspension, configurable instrument gauges, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com highlights impressive towing capabilities, wide range of configurations, refined ride and handling. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to Titus Will Ford, a tradition of excellence for over 70 years. Expect to be satisfied at Titus Will Ford.